Hello and welcome to English with James. Visitors to the UK, even from other English-speaking countries, often find it surprising or funny how many different ways Brits have invented to say thank you. Here are some of the most common words and phrases you'll hear people use. Number 1. Thanks, many thanks, thanks so much. You're likely to hear the shortened version thanks more than you hear people say thank you. It's often combined with something else like many thanks or thanks so much. Although if you hear someone say thanks a lot, they're usually being sarcastic. Also, people tend to add a friendly term for the person they are talking to on the end, like mate, or especially if the speaker is a bit older, love. For example, thanks mate, thanks love. Number 2, cheers. In other parts of the English-speaking world, cheers is what you say when you clink glasses of alcohol drink together, but it's also one of the most popular colloquial ways of saying thank you in England. Again, you're likely to hear people say, cheers mate. Next, nice one. This is something people often say if someone does them a favor, finds something for them, or gives them an unexpected gift. Usually it's followed by another way of saying thank you. For example, nice one, thanks, or nice one, cheers mate. Next, ta. Whoa. This is a very common way of saying thank you in the north of England and Wales. Next, I appreciate it, much appreciated. In casual speech, people often add I appreciate it onto a thank you. For example, cheers for helping me move that piano, I really appreciate it. You also see appreciated used in a formal speech or writing as a way of expressing thanks. For example, your donations to the fundraiser were much appreciated. Next, you're a lifesaver, you're a star, you're a hero. This sounds a little bit over the top, but they're very commonly used in the UK to say thank you, especially when someone does you a favor. For example, I know you're about to close the shop, but could I run in quickly to buy some milk? Ah, thanks mate, you're a star. Or, I think I'm going to miss the train. Is there any chance you could give me a lift to the station? You're a lifesaver. Next, you shouldn't have. This is something people often say when someone has bought them a present or done something nice for them as a surprise. It doesn't mean you really think the other person shouldn't have bought you the present. What it really means is, this is so generous, I wasn't expecting such a nice present. Or even, I'm not sure I deserve it. For example, what a beautiful necklace, you shouldn't have. Next, you're too kind. People don't often use you're too kind seriously. Often, it is a response to someone paying you a compliment. In the UK, people often get a little embarrassed by compliments and they try to turn it into a joke. So, for example, if you say to someone, you look great in that dress, wow, and they roll their eyes, smile and say, you're too kind, they are doing an over-the-top impression of being humble. They are expecting the compliment, but they don't want to seem arrogant just by saying thank you, which sounds a little bit like they agree. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and bye for now.